The pessimist complains about the wind. The optimist expects it to change. The realist adjusts the sails.
Hi, this is Deepak Sahani, founder and chairman of Healthians. Exactly 10 years ago, I couldn't have imagined that I'll be sitting like this and talking to you on this momentous occasion of Healthians completing its 10 years. Yeah, you heard it right. We have completed 10 years and it looks like a whole journey that has passed on. I really want to thank everyone with a heartfelt thank you and a lot of gratitude to all our customers, employees, vendors, investors who have been throughout there in this journey of ours and really has helped us to where we are today. Healthians का ये 10 साल का सफ़र बहुत ही चैलेंजिंग और बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग रहा है. We started back in 2014. I still remember I've spent 17 years in hospitals. और जब मैं हॉस्पिटल में जाता था और वहाँ से बाहर आता था तो लोग अक्सर ये कहते हुए मिलते थे, हे भगवान, हॉस्पिटल की शक्ल मत दिखाना. And I used to ask people that what are you going to do about it? और किसी के पास कुछ आंसर्स नहीं होते थे. Actually, the idea of this particular Healthians has been originated into my office. And मेरी वाइफ ने मुझे ये बोला कि if you are so passionate about this thing and you hear so much comments from so many patients, why can't you do something? And that's where the whole idea of doing something more preventive. I think जब हमने start किया तो सबसे पहला purpose जो मैंने पेपर पे लिखा था वो था how to save people from landing into hospitals. And that was the only motto. And how it got converted into the entire diagnostic business today is a whole journey that I wanted to share. It was just a small vision. एक छोटी सी शुरुआत थी जिसको हमने शुरू किया 2014 में, ये सोच के कैसे हमको एक ऐसी कंपनी बनाए जो वो नहीं करती जो बाकी सब करते हैं. कैसे इस एटमॉस्फेयर में ऐसा कुछ नया बनाया जाए जिससे लोगों की लाइफ बदल सकती हो. और हमने एक प्रिवेंटिव हेल्थ केयर कंपनी बनाई. इस पूरी जर्नी में हमने बहुत सारे उतार चढ़ाव भी देखे. हमने फंडिंग क्रंच भी देखा. हमने तब टाइम भी देखा जब हमारे पास 2 महीने की सैलरी भी नहीं बची थी. और उस टाइम पे काफ़ी सारे इन्वेस्टर्स ने हम पे भरोसा किया. हमें 2015 में यूवी कैन से फंडिंग मिली जब युवराज सिंह ने सपोर्ट किया. 2016 में फिर जापानीज़ फंड से फंडिंग मिली. 2018 में मिली. 2022 में मिली. और कॉन्टीन्यूसली हम लोग प्रूव करते गए कि नहीं, ये बिज़नेस मॉडल सस्टेनेबल है और लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है और लोगों का फीडबैक इसके बारे में अच्छा है. जैसा कि आप सब लोग जानते हैं कि हमारी सर्विस घर घर तक जाती है. एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर वी टुक फर्स्ट 3 years just to build a beautiful kit that can make sure that the samples can be collected in the best possible way, the most hygienic way from home. वहाँ से हमारी शुरुआत हुई और लोगों को हमारी सर्विस पसंद आनी शुरू हुई. और धीरे धीरे from गुड़गांव to Delhi NCR to multiple cities to multiple towns और आज 200-250 शहर. They say the brave does not live longer, but the cautious does not live at all. So that is why we took this very brave call of saying that we will go into the most competitive market and we'll try to establish something. And when we did it, today we are called as disruptors for good in that space. धीरे धीरे काम चलता गया, चीज़ें बढ़ती गई and I started realizing that we are actually making a lot of change when I saw customers के feedback आए, appreciations आए, letters आए and they could detect through us. I saw that the entire vision of this getting evolved over a time, and that was a learning that actually it was not just the money that I was working for, but every day morning coming back, last day beaten, then again coming back, was actually happening out of the passion. And that passion somewhere was largely about how can I change the way people think, how can I change the lives of the people, how can I do it better for them.
I started using Healthians in 2015 when I was diagnosed with advanced stage cancer. And one day while coming back from the hospital, I saw the hoarding about Healthians and I gave them a call. And the whole process where, the executive comes home and with all the uniform, they are well dressed, well spoken, with all the hygiene measures, they would come and the packages are quite pocket friendly. And yet they're all standardized. The reports were so detailed and comprehensive. So the whole process became so easy and simple, effortless, that with just click of a button or a one call would simplify your life so much. 2015 and here I am in 2024. I think hundreds of tests that I've undertaken with Healthians. I love the fact that the people, the executives are so well groomed, well spoken, and they are always on time, rather before time. So I've been the patron for Healthians for last 8 years, and I would recommend Healthians to everyone.
आई थिंक 4 लोग हैं जिनके बारे में मैं बात करना चाहूँगा, जिनको मैं कभी नहीं भूलता हूँ. फर्स्ट है हमारे कस्टमर्स. फर्स्टली बिकॉज आप सब ने हमारे पे भरोसा किया. आपने उस टेस्ट रिपोर्ट पे भरोसा किया जो हमने दी. एक नई कंपनी की टेस्ट रिपोर्ट पे भरोसा करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है, बट यू सपोर्टेड अस. सेकेंड है हमारे एम्प्लॉयज़. चाहे कोविड टाइम था, चाहे कैसा भी टाइम था, दे हैव ऑलवेज सपोर्टेड अस. हमारे पास आज भी 10 साल पुराने काफ़ी सारे एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं. हमारे आज भी फ्लेबूज़ हैं जो 10-10 साल पुराने हमारे साथ काम करते हैं. दे हैव ऑल प्रूव्ड दैट इस कंपनी में, इसके विजन में, इसकी बातों में कुछ पावर है जिसके साथ वो आज तक जुड़े हुए हैं और अभी तक सबकी सेवा कर रहे हैं. और थर्ड है हमारे वेंडर्स, जिन्होंने हमारे पे भरोसा किया. चाहे हमारे को क्रेडिट देना हो, चाहे मशीनें देना हो, चाहे बेटर से बेटर सप्लाई देना हो, सर्विसेज देना हो. एंड लास्ट हमारे इन्वेस्टर्स, जिन्होंने भरोसा करके अपना पैसा हमारे पे लगाया.
I was the first member in Healthians to join in technology team. Initially, we have very small setup, which hardly generate 5 to 10 reports in a day manually. And now we are more than 5,000 reports generated with the automated process. That kind of infrastructure will build to help our customer.
What gives me the most satisfaction today is the sort of a positive change we could bring in this industry. We have saved almost 700 crores for people when it comes to the testing, specifically the ones who can't afford it. There is an immense number of people who have got preventively tested, screened, detected much early in life, and actually got cured also. There has been almost 6,000 plus cases where the cancer got detected through Healthians, and in a very earlier stage by just a blood test. And they could really prevent that at a right point of time. The core value that guides us at Healthians, and we emphasize largely on these values, is to consider every sample as a sample of our own family member, to consider every report that we give out as a document on which a well-being of somebody is completely dependent. And both the samples and the reports are being taken care of with a lot of care and responsibility. On completing 10 years of Healthians, I would like to encourage everyone who has been the part of this journey, our employees, our investors, our customers, our vendors, to keep supporting us and keep encouraging us and keep giving your feedback. On this occasion, I would also like to request everyone to share your Healthier Together moments with Healthians. If we have impacted you in any of the ways, do share with us and do share your experiences. We really appreciate all the support, and thanks for being the part of this journey, and we look forward to having this association forever. This 10 years is just the start. I think the journey has just begun, and there's a lot more to come. Looking ahead into future, we understand that it's no more about living longer. It's all about making every day healthier. At Healthians, we always wish that you need less of medical services and less of us always.